Welcome back again. For me, this is the third day of making this chimpanzee and probably the last one. I don't know about you, maybe it's just the second day for you or maybe the fourth, it doesn't matter. What's the tempo and the pace of making this cake, as long as you get the results that you like. And today we are going to attach our hands and then color the whole monkey. And if I look at the position of this hand, I can see that I need to add some more flesh to this hand, and we are going to do that and make some more details on the upper part of his hand. That's the beauty of this modeling chocolate sculpting paste, that you can just do it the next day, just add on some more paste and nobody will know that you added on the second day or the third. Just smooth it out. Now we can put a stick into our arms and into our arm and in this hand. That's the angle, like this, just to help us stick a little better. Now just fill any gaps. Don't worry if it's not perfect. We're gonna cover some more of this hand with the fur. You could do this earlier before you attach it. You can do it like this. Just add on some of this paste. Give it some lines. And some texture. On the knuckles. Now let's cover it a little bit. Now just make room for this one. It's a little bit too long. And just place it underneath. This fondant is still pliable. This one is going to be longer. Maybe one more. Over here. And over here. And now for the second hand. It will come somewhere around here. I just need to place this thumb a little bit inwards, not like this, but like this. So I will just cut here. Remember, as we did with the fingers, just split it and then fill up the gap with more paste. Give it some lines. These ones, I'll show you. Those lines, they don't need to be exact, just in the right direction. Some creases over here. And here I need to enhance those knuckles. I believe they have quite big knuckles of all the walking on hands like this. They have strong hands. If you feel your hands are too warm, that you're melting your paste, you can put some gloves on. I didn't do any fingernails yesterday, so I have to do it now. Just warm up if it's hard, warm up the paste. Then use this tool to give it a shape. This finger keeps falling off. I have to leave it to set a bit. And I'll give some texture. Just let it to set, to cool down. In the meantime, we can do the fur that we are going to need. I think I have to cut a little piece of this cake. right? The position. And like this. Okay. And it will make this hand to be more stable so it doesn't fall off. Try to stick it on to the face so it will be more stable. I believe we are now ready to color our chimpanzee.